Hi, I'm Nuri, and today I'll guide you through the process of sending Mapify data to BigQuery for a deeper analysis. To demonstrate this, we'll be using air quality data from Catalonia's open data, specifically provided through an API in JSON format. You'll need the API URL to access and work with this data. To bring this data into Mapify, the first step is to create a data feed that connects to the API URL. You'll need to define the schema for the incoming data to specify its structure and ensure that the data feed continuously receives data. Create a workflow in Mapify that subscribes to the data feed you just set up. This workflow will process the air quality data received from the API by applying any necessary calculations or business rules specific to your use case. Once processed, the data will be saved to a dataset within Mapify, enabling you to visualize the air quality data seamlessly. Now, let's move on to sending this data to BigQuery. Start by creating a dataset in BigQuery. For this example, we'll use a dataset called Barcelona Air Quality within Google's console. To use this dataset, you'll first need to create the dataset itself, followed by creating a table within and defining all the necessary fields. Once the dataset and table are ready, return to the workflow in Mapify and add a new sync node. Select the Send Data to Google BigQuery table option and configure the node by entering the project ID of your Google account project. You'll also need to input the service account file content, which is the key obtained from Google Cloud to authorize access to your account. Next, select the dataset for this tutorial. We'll use the Mapify_BQ_demo dataset and choose the table Barcelona Air Quality. You'll then map the fields from the incoming messages to their corresponding fields in the BigQuery table. In this example, we'll map the fields such as nom_stacio and cody_AOE using GeoSpace expression helper. After completing and reviewing all the mappings, save your configuration. The Mapify workflow will now begin sending data to BigQuery. Once the data is received in BigQuery, you can run queries to analyze it and confirm that the data has been successfully imported. BigQuery's robust capabilities make it easy to handle large volumes of data and even create machine learning and AI models using BigQuery ML. You can also connect Looker Studio to BigQuery to access historical and analytical data, enabling you to create insightful dashboards and reports. With Mapify, you can quickly and easily set up a no-code workflow to send data to BigQuery. It's a fast, straightforward process that will have you working with your data before you know it.